Hi guys. So I am in this local kind of neighborhood area called Neos Cosmos in Athens. A lot of places are closed because it's Sunday today, but I love this ice cream slash cafe called Zillions. I definitely recommend coming over here. They have got the best ice creams, and there's a couple of them and across Athens, but I love this area. And look at how the neighborhood stores are. So I'm gonna go inside and have a cafe, and the ice creams are really good too. They have got great flavors over here. That's the mastica flavor. It's one of the best. And the pistachio is also really good. And how cool this place is. They have got nice savories, coffee, cappuccino, whatever you want. I love this place. Definitely if you're in Athens, try Zillions. It's one of my most favorite places. This is my favorite, the pistachio one. Love this one. Trying out the cappuccino. Excellent. So, Zillions is the place. And it's just beautiful to sit outside over here and have a cup of cappuccino. And actually the heat has gone down quite a bit, but it's under the shades, and it's just such a neighborhoody feeling. So, enjoying myself over here. So walking down the streets of Athens, found this really cool bar right in the middle of things. How beautiful this place is. Hi. Nice people, beautiful bar, beautiful settings, and it is such a nice place. Wow. And it's basically in the middle of a couple of buildings. And they have a little lounge area over here. Hi. Hi. It's just, this is what you kind of explore when you're like and see when you're just walking on the streets of Athens. Everywhere it's very unique and very cool. So let's keep on exploring. So walking down, we found another very cool place. It's called Barley Cargo. It's a craft brewery, I think. And how cool it's inside. I'm gonna just go inside the bar and check it out. Very beautiful place. How cool is the ambience, the atmosphere. Hi. Are you a craft brewery or? Yeah? Okay.
You want to see one?
Absolutely, yeah. Would you mind if I take a little bit? Yeah? Thank you so much, yeah. So look at the beer collection over here. How fantastic it is. And it's a beautiful bar, beautiful space. And it's called Barley Cargo, right? I love the name. So if you're in Athens, please definitely come and say hi to them. And their selection is over here. I'm going to post a link. They have 500 plus beer choices over here. Yeah. Super cool. Look at how their tables are. It's on beer kegs. This place is just amazing. So this street that we are walking down, they've got lots of good food places. So there is an Indian place over here called the Curry Express. I could just, from the smell, I knew it was Indian. And right across from it is Street Souvlaki. That's a Souvlaki place. And people are sort of sitting and chilling. And then there is this Taco Loco. It's a burrito place. So this street has got lots of cool places, and it's That's what the street is called. I will put it on the all the links wherever I'm going, so that you guys can, whenever you are in Athens, you can come over here and kind of chill out and look at these places. There is another cool place. It's called the Booze Cooperative, and look at how beautiful this place is. And look at the inside. There's so many of these cool places in Athens. This is just that. And people are sitting outside, playing chess, just chilling out, having a good time. This is what street life, walking on the streets of Athens, looks like. There's graffiti, there is food, restaurants, bars, everything together. So I'm in this kind of the central square over here. You'll see this kind of, places all over town, all over Athens while walking. This is more, touristy than anything else. And look at this beautiful church over here. And they've got all kinds of food places, beer places, drink places. People are chilling out. People are having a good time. That's what's so cool about this city is. And basically while walking from one neighborhood to another, everything changes like any other big city. But it has some unique feel about this place, which is, if you're not here, it's very, very hard to describe. But as you can see, it's so beautiful. So just walking over here and enjoying the street life, street vibe. A lot of places are closed today, but and guess what is in front of me? Are you ready? Are you guys ready for this? Voila, look at that. How beautiful it is. That's the Acropolis right over here. And you can see it right from here. The kids are having fun. So that's what I'm saying. This is Greece for you. This is Athens for you. That's the place. Wow, look at the view of the Acropolis over here. This is Greece. How beautiful that is. In this kind of street market area. Very, very, it's definitely a bit touristy, but that's part of, any big city, any center. Like the bazaar kind of feel to it, but it's not really a bazaar. It's in Greece, so it's different. There's more stuff over here, and this is very close to the Acropolis. I'll put a link, also a Google Map link to where to come, because this whole area is something that you should be sort of exploring, discovering all kinds of knickknacks that you have. It's fun, all local stuff. It's very cool. Look at this evil eye. This so quintessential Athens, Greece, and it's just interesting. It's just interesting stuff over here. Leather goods, leather stuff. It's very, very, this kind of sandals that it's very Greek, And then you suddenly come and see all the historical, sites. Bam! Look at that again. Look at that. So that's what I'm saying. Is everything is kind of mixed, and this whole experience, this vibe, is just something to almost die for. This is, people say, as soon as you hit Athens, go to the islands. Islands are nice, that's a different thing, but you should also stay in Athens and enjoy the city and experience the city, because the city has got a lot to offer, especially it's a very, very walkable city. You should be walking all over this place whenever you are here and experience it. Again, everything is an adventure. You should take it that way, and I hope you're enjoying this adventure with me. And because I did not pre-plan anything, I just started walking and seeing all these cool places. This is how to experience any city. Look at the fruit juices. This is fabulous. And voila, we are front of the Athens flea market over here and the main tourist center. This is all kind of food stalls over here. And again, you will see over there the Acropolis. And look at the view over there. So I hope you're enjoying this journey with me. And if you're liking my video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like it. Please share. And please press the bell icon. And definitely don't forget to subscribe and follow me. Wow, what a beautiful, beautiful view. We'll just go down over here. Look at this. How you can get a ticket inside and just go over this beautiful area. So this is a food street near this area called the Monastery or Monastiraki, something like that in Greek, the way you pronounce it. But again, this is very central. Wow, kitties everywhere. Meow. They're everywhere in Greece. Everybody loves cats over here, I think. They give food for them. They keep food. And look at it. There's like this little alleyways and with great food stuff. There's very good ice cream over there, I can see. Homemade waffles, all kinds of food places. Really, really very, very unique places. Again, this is just nice to walk around over here and just experience this place. So this is the flea market of Athens. Again, this unique shoes that are actually produced and manufactured in Greece, and this is all leather, original leather, so very, very high quality stuff. And this place is very famous for those kind of shoes. I believe a lot of designers actually copy those and maybe not directly but get inspiration from them. So it's interesting over here. I'll just keep on walking and keep on showing you guys whatever I discover. A lot of handmade ornaments, a lot of really nice unique designs over here. Have your name made in Greek. Yeah, you can do that too. You can come over here and make your name in Greek in those little rings, etc. and keep it. It's very, very unique. So in front of this beautiful church, and there's service going on right now and you can hear it. What a beautiful church this is. Wow. And you can actually go and attend the service if you want. And they're just playing this chant, the prayers. This is so nice, so peaceful, so spiritual. And it's in the middle of a flea market. That's what Greece is all about. And look at this. Wow, look at this. Beautiful architecture over there, historic architecture, and contrast that with a rail line right over here. So everything is in the middle of everything, which is how the only way to describe this place. And of course you can just walk up to Acropolis just from here, I think. So came to this little kind of a Greek restaurant over here, and having a glass of your Greek wine. Cheers. So that's the train, and you're listening to the bells of the church. So how cool is that? So this is the Monastery metro station that you should get off to come to this neighborhood. And I showed you the trains as well before. Everything is just beautiful and incredible. I'm just sharing this beautiful experience with you, just loving it. And it's getting a little bit dark over here now, so the lights are on. So it's a totally different vibe now. So guys, I'm at this really cool store called Duckling. If you're in Athens, you definitely need to come to this place because look at the really cool stuff that they have over here. The t-shirts are just amazing. I just got 2 t-shirts and the quality is just fantastic, and the price, and this beautiful people over here. Please say hi to my viewers. Hello. They treat you like king over here. So definitely come over here, check out this place. This is so cool, so cool. I definitely recommend this place, and I'm going to put they have got a great Instagram site as well. I will put the Instagram account, everything over, when I release this video. But check it out. This is probably one of the best places in Athens. So when you're in Athens, Duckling, definitely come over here. Very cool place, very cool store. And thank you so much for everything.
Thank you.
Sure, most welcome. Guys, at this place called Soba, and they have got fantastic gyros, meat platters, and Sabar is the name of the place. It's got a beer, and outside is really beautiful. I'll take you guys over there to show how it is. But cheers. Look at the view from here. So this is the balcony of the restaurant. This is the restaurant, and outside over here, voila, Athens at night for you. This is a $1 zillion view. Not a billion, not a trillion, it's a $1 zillion view. Let's check it out. It is so beautiful. This is why you need to come to Athens and check this place out. This is just wonderful. Wow, this is heavenly. So this is a local place. It's called EP2 in Athens. It's one of probably the best places I've been to. And let me introduce you to the owner of this place, Yanis.
Hello, hello.
Say hi to my viewers.
Welcome.
And when you are in Athens, definitely come to EP2. I'm going to put the link below. And how do you pronounce it?
EP to the bar.
EP to the bar. EP to the bar.
Of the summer, EP to Island.
EP2 Island?
Yes.
Awesome. I will put a link below. Please come, please visit. And this is a fantastic place. Cheers. Thank you so much. Sure. Yeah. So this is how the nighttime looks in Athens, with modern architecture and modern stores everywhere. United Colors of Benetton, H&M, everything is over here. And then you bump into this kind of historic stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, definitely give it a thumbs up, and please follow me.